the airman truck, final number 3. Driver waiting, driver lady waiting for the toll. So good for car 1 to start, followed by car number 3 to
Very sorry.
Cross the line for car number 7, followed by car number 2. 1 minute past, car 1 now leads, followed by car number 3, 6, 7, 2. Cross the line for car 1, Ultra now is lead, followed by car number 6 now is in second, car number 3 is third. Right now, left in car number 11, thank you. Car number 12. Coming up next, front wheel drive C-Man. You will start at 5 minutes past 4. 5 minutes past 4. So after this, we take a break for 10 minutes. Take a short break for 10 minutes. So this is the airman truck, final number 3. With car 1 right behind car number 27. Car number 2 now, leader coming close. Thank you, car 2. Car number 6 now coming in second, followed by car number 3 in third. Car number 7 now in 4th. 1 minute 30 seconds to go. 1 minute 30 seconds. จบตรงนี้แล้วเราหยุด10 นาทีนะฮะจบตรงนี้เราเบรก10 นาทีก่อนนะครับ
Oh, come on. Sorry.
Car number 1 now right behind. Car number 5, car number 5, keep way. Thank you. Car number 9. Thẳng leo. One minute to go, 1 minute to go. จบวันนี้แล้วเดี๋ยวรอสักพักนะฮะแล้วเดี๋ยวเป็นมาเชลนะฮะเพราะว่าเราเบรกนิดนึงเพราะว่าในกล่องล่าวันไม่มีไฟนอกสั่งเวลาเลยล่าไปนิดนึง 30 seconds to go, 30 seconds. Ashara from Thailand now is lead, followed by car number 6 and 3. Ashara now is looking good for the winner for the final number 3. Coming on straight line. is looking through for Ashram. It's going to be the last lap. Ashram now coming to the line and win for the third final. Ashram now cross the line with car number 6 now in second. Car number 3 now cross the line, finish in third. And car number 7 coming finish in fourth. Oh, our team come up finish นะฮะ First team ยังไม่ finish ครับ Okay, all car number 10 come to the finish line. All the car finish. Can we take a short break? Take a short break.